How are security forces responding to the large protests during the 2026 G7 summit? The answer reveals surprising tactics and technology you won't expect in managing massive global demonstrations. During the 2026 G7 summit, security forces deployed cutting-edge surveillance technology that includes drones flying overhead, facial recognition cameras, and AI-powered analytics. This tech allows them to monitor crowd movement instantly and identify potential troublemakers before incidents escalate. This level of surveillance is unprecedented, combining data from multiple sources to maintain control while avoiding unnecessary confrontations. To manage large protests without resorting to extreme force, security forces use non-lethal tools like tear gas, water cannons, and long-range acoustic devices. These methods aim to disperse crowds efficiently while reducing injuries. The use of sound technology, for example, can create discomfort that encourages protesters to leave an area without physical contact, showing a shift toward more humane crowd control. Instead of blanket lockdowns, security forces establish dynamic perimeters that adapt to protest size and mood. Peaceful demonstrators are permitted to express themselves safely, while rapid response teams isolate and contain any violent factions. This balance aims to respect civil rights while maintaining order, a delicate strategy that requires constant communication and coordination among agencies. Recognizing that communication is key, security forces actively engage with protest organizers to facilitate dialogue and reduce misunderstandings. They also use social media platforms to share real-time updates and counter misinformation. This approach helps build trust and can prevent escalation, showing that managing protests is not just about force, but also about connection. The security response to the 2026 G7 summit protests combines advanced technology, non-lethal methods, strategic planning, and community engagement. This multi-layered approach aims to keep everyone safe while respecting peaceful demonstrations. If you enjoyed learning about these surprising tactics, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.